Welcome back to this channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a powerful tool designed to keep your Windows PC running at its best. If you've ever noticed your computer slowing down over time, you're not alone. Windows systems can accumulate unnecessary files and settings that impact performance. Windows accumulates junk files, registry errors, and privacy vulnerabilities that gradually degrade performance. But there's a solution that can transform your sluggish PC into a high-performance machine. That's where Ashampoo WinOptimizer 27 comes in. It's a comprehensive suite designed to clean, optimize, and protect your PC. With over 30 modules, it offers solutions for cleaning junk files, fixing registry issues, improving privacy, and much more. Let's break down some of the key features and benefits of WinOptimizer 27 and see how it can help you get the most out of your PC. Meet Ashampoo WinOptimizer 27, the comprehensive toolkit with over 30 specialized modules designed to breathe new life into your Windows system. The one-click optimizer handles the heavy lifting, instantly removing junk files, fixing registry issues, and eliminating privacy traces with a single click. The Disk Cleaner module scans your drives for unnecessary files, freeing up valuable space and improving speed. Internet Cleaner removes browsing traces and cookies, helping protect your privacy online. The Registry Optimizer safely cleans and defragments your Windows registry, reducing errors and crashes. System analysis tools give you detailed insights into your hardware and software, so you can monitor your PC's health. The File tools help you securely delete sensitive data or recover accidentally deleted files. WinOptimizer 27 also includes a startup tuner, letting you control which programs run when your PC starts up, for faster boot times. The Uninstall Manager makes it easy to remove unwanted software completely, freeing up resources. What sets this version apart is the intelligent auto-clean feature that works silently in the background, constantly optimizing your system without interruption. The Live Tuner dynamically allocates resources where they're needed most, ensuring smooth performance even during demanding tasks. Privacy-conscious users will appreciate the privacy guard that blocks telemetry and data collection, keeping your digital life private. And with the redesigned dashboard featuring dark mode, you get instant system insights at a glance. The user interface is intuitive, with clear navigation and helpful tooltips, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. Ashampoo provides regular updates and customer support, ensuring your optimization tools stay current with the latest Windows changes. Whether you're a casual user or a tech power user, Ashampoo WinOptimizer 27 delivers the performance boost your PC deserves. In summary, Ashampoo WinOptimizer 27 is a feature-rich, user-friendly solution for anyone looking to keep their PC running smoothly and securely. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Thanks for watching.